Hello friends, welcome to my channel Secrets of CPR. My name is Sarbindu Pal. Let's start the EOD analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we will look what are the opportunities of trades today we can get in our CPR setup. Friends, now I'm using the Fires platform. If you people also wanted to open your account in Fires, so you can open your account with my link, and my link is available in my description box, so you can check it from there. Friends, in my previous video, or in which video is uploaded in Saturday, I shared the levels or demand zones with you guys, and what are the levels which we are looking for in today's trading. So all the levels works very perfectly, right friends? If we see today, in both the cases, in both the indices, we will see the formation of wider CPR, right? In Nifty we having a average to wider CPR, in Bank Nifty we having a average to wider CPR, in Nifty we having a wider CPR, formation of wider CPR. So what are the opportunities of trade in wider CPR? So first we will look the formation of first candle. If the first formation of first candle is big bullish candle or big bearish candle, in today's scenario, what is the formation of first candle is big bullish candle, or what is the formation in Bank Nifty is we also got a big bullish candle in Bank Nifty too, right? Now look, if we got a big bullish candle, what we will do? We will wait for the retracement. If price comes to that level, that low of that candle, and gives any bullish sign, right, we will took our trade, right? But what in today's case, right, the first big bullish candle closes above the PTH. This is our PTH, right? Look, this is our PTH, today's PTH, and price closes above the PTH. So as per our trading rules, if any candle closes above the PTH, we will took our trade. And what is our target? The target is our next pivot, right? But today the formation of candle is very big, and in Bank Nifty you will see too many resistance. So what is it is a good way to took our trade, or we will look, if we look where we put our stop loss there? No, our stop loss is going to very high, right? So that trade is not a good trade for us, right? Now look, wider CPR and wider CPR itself saying that market is not going to be a trending day, right? It will be a sideways day for us, right? So we will not go for that trade. Because of that, we will not go for that trade, right? Now friends, if you see, whenever a formation of big green candle or big red candle, so what we will do in today's case, the formation of big green candle, right? And price, if what will we do? We will wait to retrace back the price up to lower end of that candle, or today's low of that candle. If we saw any bullish sign from there, so what we can took our trade. But in today's scenario, right, market retrace up to lower end of that candle, but or CPR, but not gives a good sign. But if you see, look at this, that time, like in 950, market gives sign, but this candle is a doji type of candle. This is not a bullish candle, right? And at the same time, if you see 950, right, 950, the formation of this candle is inside the CPR. Bank Nifty is trading inside the CPR. So whenever that type of scenario happens, we will not take our trade. If any indices trading inside the CPR, or another is giving opportunities to take our trade, we will not take our trade, right? This is our rule. Friends, and if you wait to forming a range, right? The second point is, when in wider CPR we will wait to form a range. If we will see, if we look, the formation, the range is this, right? The range is this, and we are getting an opportunity of trade in this candle when market is rejecting from upside and gives sign to downside. Is we can took our trade on that candle, right? That candle, 1125 candle. Look, Nifty is showing a resistance on that area which we marked on Saturday, and that candle closes inside the CPR. So the trade is not going to be traded by us because the price is inside the CPR, and the whole day is exactly a sideways day for us. In Nifty, market holds the level of upside, and in Bank Nifty you will see market holds the level of downside, right? So this is it for today's. We will not get any trade because Bank Nifty, the whole day Bank Nifty is inside the CPR, right? And we will not took our trade in Nifty too because we did not get any good opportunities of trade in Nifty. Like look, one more thing I want to share with you guys. In Bank Nifty, if you see, give me a minute, what happened, friends? In Bank Nifty, you will see a breakdown of CPR on 1210, right? 1210. Look, that candle low is not gone on that candle, right? So when we have to wait up to today's low, whenever a breakout or breakdown happens, what we will do, we will look our on left if there is any wick or any strong support. So for today's, if you look for today, we have a support of big green candle or today's low. Or if you see, sellers try to push price below that level, but they are unable to push, right? So we will, in this week, we will see the intent of buyers. Buyers are not interested to push price to sellers, right? So this is it for today's video, and I hope you peoples now able to mark the levels, how we can mark the level, what are the levels, how you are now. I wish and I hope you peoples are now able to mark the important levels from your own. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day and good night.